Hey girl, hey. How you doing? Happy holidays, Merry Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, whatever it is that you celebrate, happy it to you. So today's video is going to be a holiday themed makeup tutorial. That's right. I'm going to give you a Yule solstice look. That's what I'm gonna call it. I will list the products and colors and description in the description box below. And with that said, let's go glam your Yule log. Oh, it's gonna be a punny Christmas. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the eyes once again, like always. And then I'm gonna move my way to foundation and around. Today's look is inspired by the look that everybody voted for on Facebook. Or I'm sorry, not Facebook, Instagram. On my Instagram page, lady_Vana_delicious at Instagram.com. So, everybody voted for a red with a beautiful highlighted brow bone, obviously, and a bright red glitter. So, it's gonna be fun! And since I'm performing Puppies Are Forever, Puppies Are Forever, not just for Christmas, by Sia tonight at the balcony. Kind of perfect. So, anyways, alright, so on to the makeup. Eyes first. Here we go. Buckle up, y'all. Alright, so the next step is to glitter my lids. I'm gonna go in with glitter right here. Actually, probably right here. Pretty much my lid, all the way to my crease. So this ombre effect is just the background. To get my glitter to stick, I use Kaylin's Sugar Stuck on You. And then I just use regular glitter that you can get at Shopko, Fred Meyer, preferably for me personally. Not sponsored on this, but Martha Stewart's glitter is the best. It's really fine. She's got fun colors. Get it, Miss Martha. You are hooking the drag queens up with the glitter. And yeah, so here we go with the glitter. I apply with a Q-tip. I have two Q-tips. I have one for wet, one for dry. So one goes into my little cap, and then the other goes into my little glitter. And then they go on. Got it. All right, here we go. Oh, isn't that amazing how that happens? Movie magic. Movie magic. Let me tell you. Alright, so the best thing about this stuff is it's waterproof. So when you sweat, when you're on stage, you're doing your thing, it doesn't go crazy. Alright, plus the reason I do this before I do my foundation is because fallout is crazy with glitter. But that's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Alright, so now I'm gonna bust through the bottom parts of this and then start doing eyeliner and stuff like that. So then foundation, then this is almost all together. All right, so here we go. All right, we're rounding the end. We're rounding the end. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and go for the foundation, put that all on, get all my contour on, bam, get that done. Crystalled underneath my eyes because I'm gonna use AB stones this time. Do some lashes, do my eyebrows, get it all done. Under lashes, all of it, all of it, all of it. So, I will see you when it's all done. Ready? Here we go. Wow, and there you have it. Final details are on. So obviously I took some artistic license to what was chosen, but so from this point up, it was what was chosen for me on YouTube or on Instagram. And I decided to add some bottom jewels, big fluffy bottom lash, and big lashes on top. Anyways, all that's left to do is for me to do my lips, and I think I'm gonna do like a really dark lipstick, kind of like the last one that I did in my last video, but this time instead of purple, I'm gonna do red in the center. So sexy. I think so. All right, darling. Movie magic. Ready for this? I love this movie magic thing. I wish it worked like that in real life. Here she is, all together. Close up. Living for it. It's very. So, alright, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it for you. There will be many, many more. I have to run off and get ready for this show tonight at the balcony for the ISGC. I am not a member of ISGC, but I do like to volunteer my time for certain individuals who ask politely. So, if you're close by, come on down. If not, stay tuned because we'll air some stuff, that's for sure. Love you guys. This is your girl, Lady D, and this is the channel. Hey girl, hey. And this has been your Yule Tide Solstice Makeup Glam Look. Mwah!